Have you ever wondered how people run a t-shirt business from home with just a heat press? This video answers it. I'll break down the essentials you need to get right from day one to actually make profit. A basic t-shirt costs about $3. Add a transfer design for around $1. It takes just a few minutes of your time. Sell that shirt for $15 and you've got $11 in profit. If you make 10 shirts in an hour, that's $110 right there. It's straightforward math that shows real potential. To make it work, choose transfers that look great and last. Now that you can clearly see how the numbers work in your favor, the next big question is obvious. Who's actually going to buy these shirts? Let's look at where the real demand comes from. Markets to sell to. Finding your buyers. Once you're set up, who will buy your shirts? It's easier than you think. Start with sports teams. They need custom jerseys for practices and games. Schools love spirit wear for pep rallies or clubs. Businesses often order promo shirts with their logos. You can design cool graphic tees for new clothing brands. Personalization is huge too. Think holiday gifts, family reunions, or birthday surprises. Once you know who you're selling to, the next step is understanding how your designs actually get onto the shirt. This is where your setup, and especially your transfer method, really matters. Why transfer technology matters? The core of your setup. Shifting gears, let's talk about what makes your design stick. The transfer technology. This is the foundation that keeps your business running smooth. It decides how easy your work is and how good the shirts feel. We'll cover the main types that handle everyday jobs. No need for fancy terms, just practical ways to get results. Screen printed transfers, simple and pro-looking. First up, screen printed transfers. These are designs printed on special paper. You heat press them onto the shirt and done. They give that store-bought look that's tough and lasts through washes. Super easy to use, no cleanup mess. They're perfect for bigger orders where all shirts have the same colors. You save on costs and the shirt feels soft and comfy. Now let's explain all the heat transfer methods. Heat transfer vinyl. Great for custom touches. For smaller runs, try heat transfer vinyl or HTV. You cut shapes from colored vinyl sheets using a cutter tool. Layer the colors if you need more than one. It's ideal for adding names or personal details, but for super tiny designs, it might take extra time. Spice things up with special effects like glitter, shiny metallic, reflective or foil finishes. This one's fun for unique orders. Now to the next method. Print and cut heat transfer vinyl. Easy multicolor designs. If you want lots of colors without layering hassle, go for print and cut HTV. Print your design on vinyl, then cut it out with a printer cutter combo. It handles detailed art in small batches. No stacking layers means quicker work. It works well on different fabrics and leaves a nice clean look. Now next stage is digital screen printed transfers, handling complex stuff. For more advanced needs, digital screen printed transfers step in. They blend digital printing with screen methods. Say goodbye to picking out extras. No weeding required. Great for fine details and tons of colors. Apply it in one simple step, and it scales as your business grows. Moving to the next part, water-based screen printed transfers, the premium choice. Finally, if you want top quality, choose water-based transfers. Unlike thicker inks, these feel soft and stretch with the fabric. They're perfect for special materials like nylon. Offer them as your high-end option to wow customers and charge a bit more. Now that you understand the different transfer options, let's talk about the machine that brings all of this together. No matter the transfer type, everything depends on one core piece of equipment. The core of your business. First, think about the heart of your operation. The heat press is the core of your business. It turns simple ideas into custom products that people love. Without it, nothing happens, but with the right one, you create magic every time. But why does it matter so much? Accurate time, temperature, and pressure make all the difference. Get them wrong, and your designs fade or peel. Get them right, and your work lasts. That's what builds trust with customers. Now consider the costs. Heat presses range from a few hundred to a couple $1,000s, but focus on ROI. A good machine pays for itself fast through steady orders. Invest wisely, and you'll see returns in months, not years. Once you've decided to invest, the next step is choosing the right features. Not all heat presses are created equal, and the details can make your workflow much smoother. What makes a heat press top-notch? Start with a swing-away design. It keeps your hands safe and lets you align everything perfectly. No more burns or crooked prints. Next, digital controls for time and temperature. They give you precision without guesswork. Set it once, and it's consistent every press. Adjustable pressure is key too. Different fabrics need different force. This feature lets you handle anything from thin tees to thick hoodies. Also, look for a semi-threadable lower platen. It makes loading shirts easy and keeps them flat for even results. Interchangeable platens open up options. Swap sizes for hats, sleeves, or small items. One machine does it all. And don't overlook build quality. A durable press lasts years, saving you money on repairs. Choose metal over plastic for that solid feel. Now that you know what to look for in a heat press, let's see how all of this works in real life. Watching the process makes everything click. It can be divided into 5 segments. These are T-shirt printing demo. To see this in action, let's walk through some prints. Imagine pressing a T-shirt with screen-printed transfers. Lay the shirt flat, position the transfer, and apply heat. In seconds, you have a vibrant design ready to wear. 2. Heat transfer vinyl demo. Switch to heat transfer vinyl. Cut your design, weed out extras, and press it on. The result? Sharp, colorful graphics that pop. 3. Bags. Printing demo. For bags, use pillows and pads inside. They fill the space so the press hits evenly. No wrinkles, just clean edges. 4. Sports jerseys demo. Sports jerseys need care. Align numbers and names precisely. The right press handles the stretchy fabric without stretching your patience. 5. Jackets, polos, and performance wear demo. Jackets, polos, and performance wear follow suit. Adjust settings for each material and watch your skills shine. Once you're confident with the process, it's time to think bigger. Let's move from daily printing to long-term growth and profitability. As you master this, you're ready for growth, scaling, ROI, and long-term growth. Let's explore them one by one. 1. ROI example. Let's talk ROI first. Picture buying a machine for $500. Print 100 shirts at $10 profit each. That's your investment back in one batch. Hit 200 shirts a month and you're in profit mode fast. 2. From startup to profit. From startup to steady income, it happens step by step. Start small, build skills, and watch orders grow. 3. Mixing materials. To boost revenue, expand your products. Mix materials like cotton and vinyl for premium looks. Customers pay more for that custom touch. 4. Specialty finishes. Add specialty finishes. Glitter, foil, or puff effects stand out. They turn basic items into high-end sellers. 5. Beyond t-shirts. Go beyond t-shirts. Hats, mugs, and banners open new doors. More variety means more sales. Growth doesn't mean making things complicated. The smartest businesses look for ways to stay efficient while expanding. The efficient expand methods are: 1. Using ready-made transfers. Keep things simple along the way. Use ready-made transfers to skip design headaches. They're quick and professional. 2. Starter kits and samples. Grab starter kits and samples. They let you test without big risks. Practice builds confidence. 3. Educational content. Learn from educational content. Videos, guides, and forums speed up your progress. Knowledge turns beginners into pros. With your skills and systems in place, the final piece is selling. Let's talk about how to actually get customers and orders coming in. Identifying customers. Now marketing and sales. Know your customers first. Who needs custom gear? Think teams, events, and businesses. Top customer categories. Top categories include schools, sports clubs, and small shops. They want reliable, quality prints. Simple sales plan. Create a simple plan. Use social media to show your work. Share before and after photos. Word spreads. So that's the complete picture of starting a t-shirt business from home. From understanding the profit potential, choosing the right transfer methods, to picking the right heat press and planning for long-term growth. The key is to start simple, stay consistent, and improve as you go. If you want to dive deeper into the next step, there's a related video waiting for you on the end screen right now. Click there to continue learning and move forward with confidence. And if this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe for more practical guides like this.